That's a beautiful morning. 6:16 a.m. I'm going out for a spin. I'm not able to sleep somehow. Sometimes you cannot sleep. There's no particular reason for it. I just couldn't sleep. And usually this is like a bad time to get up because everyone is asleep at home. Even if I want to hit the gym, it's a lockdown, so I can't go. But then there is a good thing. 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. The lockdown is relaxed. You can go out and do your stuff. I thought I'll utilize this time. Let's go for a quick spin. Let's take the beamer out finally. Let's take it onto the road, not in this lawn. I thought I'll just go to the nearest highway, take a spin and come back. This is the best we can do right now. After the lockdown, let's see if we can do better rides. But more than all this rides and all that, it's very important to be safe. Okay, what's up guys, kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. So here's the plan. I just decided to go till Nagpur highway. This is the closest highway. I think it's around 9 or 10 kilometers from here. And from there I'll go towards Tupran. That's going to be another 20-30, actually 50 kilometers, but we don't have that much time. I'll ride till maybe 20-30 kilometers, take a U-turn and come back. Right now 6:30. I'm doing a solo ride and I think officially we can call it the first breakfast ride of the BMW. Technically I can't call it a breakfast ride because I'm not going to have anything for the sake of it. Let's just call it a morning ride. I'll be leaving the camera here. I'll just take a backpack and a bit of water. I'm feeling hungry right now, but it's too early to have breakfast. 6:30 right now. Just go quickly, come back in max 2 hours. Oh, one more thing I forgot. Very important. Every morning without fail, I definitely take apple cider vinegar since the last, I think, almost 1 year now. Usually it is in liquid form, but the problem with that is firstly time consuming. Take a glass, put some apple cider vinegar and then fill it with water. Now we have a much simpler solution, the apple cider vinegar capsules. Just take one in the morning, one in the night. The major benefit of this supplement is that it gives you all the health benefits of apple cider vinegar, but in a capsule form. Main thing is you don't have this acidic aftertaste. It's got a restorative effect on your body, helps control blood sugar level, and more importantly lowers body cholesterol. It has shown good results when it comes to weight management. Each of this capsule has pure apple cider vinegar powder made from cider from Himalayan apples. Helps boost digestion and most importantly very good for your heart. It also improves your immunity and overall wellness. It also contains nutritional elements like live enzymes and essential minerals. And for all the vegetarian ones, don't worry, it is pure vegetarian. Also, in case you're ordering, you can use my coupon code SrimanKotaru20, get flat 20% off at buywow.in. It's a proper natural supplement. There is no added chemicals in it. And always you can download this app now by Wow. Very easy to navigate, very easy to buy your favorite products. And also you have app specific offers. Also every Wow product has a QR code which you can scan and authenticate the product. You can also get some points by doing this, which you can redeem in their app or website. This should be taken around 30 to 40 minutes before you have anything. Also make sure you consult your health practitioner before taking any supplement. Let's quickly get out before the traffic hits. Abhi the traffic nahi hoga, but still we have to come back on time, right? Weird times. So the bike is ready. Just warming it up a little bit. A nice beautiful 27 degrees right now. Looks nice and cloudy. You can see a lot of clouds here. Beautiful. I just hope Sriman is taking the bike out. I just hope it doesn't rain. I don't even know what modes and all this bike has. Right now it shows road. I think just there's a single click for that. Where is it? Where is it here? The shortcut button. Mode, yes. Road. How do I toggle? Okay, dynamic, enduro, rain. We'll put it in road. So let's start. It's a smooth here. The moment you start it, it pops up a big sound. But once it gets warm, it's much smoother. Nice, feels really good to take out the bike. You know what, slowly I'm getting used to this height. It's in the lowest setting right now. Now to raise it up and all that, I don't know how to do that. We'll come back today, I promise. We'll come back today, read the instruction manual, and maybe tomorrow or next video, whenever I make the next video, I'll try to give you all the details about this instrument cluster here and what all the dash shows. Because like I told you, first of all, I myself don't know anything. I should read. So let's move. Man, this bike is so tall. I'm hitting all the trees and moving. Oh, road is like proper rush. Yeah, this is the weird times we are living in. 6 a.m. onwards it's gonna get full rush because people are gonna come out to shop and do all that. So the proper peak hour is 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and especially while coming back is gonna be rush here. Lot of traffic. 10 a.m. ko like around 9:30 onwards you'll have like major traffic. Auntie. By the way, quickly to talk about this bike, we have something called dynamic braking where you don't need to hit the back brake, because whenever you hit the front brake it's gonna hit the back brake also by I think 40% or 50%, which is really fancy, and I think this feature is there in some small moped as well. But basically it is proper BMW's technology, which is definitely helpful, especially if you're doing off-roads and all that. Or even అన్న ఇట్లా రోడ్ల మధ్యలో ఆపేసి ఏం చేస్తుర్రా పొద్దున. But yeah, what appearance the bike has, yeah. Like I can literally feel it. It's not only big from outside for people to look at, but even for me sitting from here, all this dash over here, it looks so huge. Like it's covering my entire body. Oh yeah, successfully we've done 74 kilometers. But yeah, it is bouncy here compared to my Tiger. Bounces a lot, jumps a lot. Maybe I have to do some settings with the suspension. There are a lot of things that you can do. You see this small spring action here, that is to raise or lower the suspension. Right now it is at the lowest setting, but still it is a little bit bouncy, maybe because I'm coming from a Tiger, which is a road variant and it's more of a sports tourer. Usually sports tourers suspension setup is a little bit sturdy. I think I have to get used to it, that's it. Ek bada sa ride ho gaya to everything will fall in place. Obviously 75 kilometers mein what will you know, dude. See Sriman, this is what happens when you come out for a ride after a long time. I forgot the route. That is, Sriman is a specialist in routes. He'll keep forgetting routes. Not about forgetting, I'm not really good with routes because we are so dependent, especially me, I'm so dependent on Google Maps. Every time I go out, I hit Google Maps, not just because I don't know the routes, but it's actually, it gives good information, you know, traffic information and all that. Anyway, we are back on track right now. I have to go take a left from here. మన బండి దూరుతుంది దున్నపోతుంది దీంట్లో నుంచి. This is the, I mean, maybe it could go, but I was not so confident because once again 79.8, almost 80 kilometers done. Great. Yeah, because I'm not that confident with the bike yet. See, that is the reason we need to keep doing such a chota ride so that I get used to the bike. Gudra vachinan guduni. Yes, this is Dairy Farm Road. Either say I think the highway is around the Nagpur highway, NH44, 4 or 5 kilometers max. You go to the Nagpur highway and from there right lelo straight, and if you keep going straight you literally go till Srinagar. Oh shit man, I'm so missing all those routes. Imagine if everything was like proper non-lockdown days, we would definitely go till at least the north. I'm not sure where, but if you could wait for, you know, one more month, next month is a proper month of visiting Ladakh. Unfortunately we cannot do that right now, and it's a waste of time crying about it. It's better to be safe. Only thing is, you know, as a human being, it is normal to get frustrated. No, we all will get frustrated only till we contract the infection. Once you get it, you will be like, I want my life first than anything else. This is what happened to me literally. 2 nights I suffered like next level suffering. That time if someone asked me, do you want it 1250 or do you just want to get up and walk, I would definitely chuck the BMW 1250 or even a BMW X5. Let's just move from a bedroom and go down. Just because we are healthy now, we don't consider it, right? Yeah, petrol bunks are open. Everything properly is open from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. After that, pura it gets deserted. And there is so much of torque in the bike. I'm literally riding it in 2000 RPM. Imagine if I can pull this bike like... Oh! Okay. Don't do that, Sriman. You still need to get used to the bike properly. Man, oh man. It can literally pop a wheelie in second gear. Have to be careful. I think it's 135 or 140 Nm of crazy boxer Twirka torque. If you go onto Instagram, you can find a lot of people popping wheelies on it like effortlessly. and we have to finish the break-in period. Break-in period will take forever for me. 1,000 kilometers बोले तो I don't know when is that gonna happen. ऐसे छोटा rides करके I think I'll have to finish 1,000 kilometers and then take it to the service center, get the first service done, then we can rip. Ha. So beautiful, yaar. This is something we need. Beautiful trees, beautiful views, nice climate, next level climate. I don't know why, but mid-May it is like this. Oh wow, man, that was some nice beautiful color there. Oh, there we have the highway. Let's take a right, and that's proper NH44. Okay, I don't know what happened, but till now the audio was not recorded. I just stopped by the side to have some water and I checked my GoPro footage if everything is recording properly or not, because one second the stupid GoPro was not working, it was not switching on, and I checked my footage. I realized that audio is not recorded. Yeah, I'm literally so serious. I wanted to put this GoPro down on the floor. I want to write a GSA on that. Seriously, dude. I think I did around 30 kilometers this side towards Tupran, now going back, and I have to say this definitely helped, yaar. Oh my god, on the highway it is so beautiful. Unfortunately I couldn't record that part, GoPro was not switching on, but literally it changes the way the air deflects. You feel like you're sitting inside a car, literally. You can literally do this, see, literally hide behind it. Anyways, chalo, let's go home now. Proper ride reviews and all that, anyways, we'll be doing like thousands of kilometers on this bike, and let's do it later. Abhi we'll put some fuel. So that was my quick ride, 75 kilometers. I'm feeling really happy. Actually, my soul is feeling much more happier. So I'm having my breakfast now. 3 eggs, and you guys know my breakfast, right? Since almost 1 year, I'm having the same thing. Like I told you, I've been cheating. Most of the time, 90% I'm trying to, at least the breakfast, lunch, till evening I try to have my diet. After that, raat mein cheating ho raha. 3 whole eggs, 30 grams of protein shake.